So welcome to my baking video. Woo! So this video is actually my second baking video, and this time I'm gonna make a very simple Halloween dessert. So I think because of COVID, many people are not being able to celebrate Halloween as they used to before. So why don't we at least try baking something and maybe eat it yourself or share it with your friends? How about that? It's a really easy recipe I got from the internet. I got it from this video. So it's really easy. The ingredients are really simple. So should we get started? Let's get started. So these are the ingredients you need. As you can see, very simple, very few ingredients. Okay, first you need a chocolate chip cookie. We have marshmallows. If you can, please try your best to get small marshmallows for the teeth. And this is an almond slice. I don't know why, but this almond slice was so expensive. Just for 25 grams of almond slice, it costs 180 yen. I'm like, oh my god, are you sure about this price? And then we need a strawberry jam. Actually, in the video, they didn't really use strawberry jam. I think they used whipped cream. I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm gonna use strawberry jam instead. So first, I'm gonna take the chocolate chip cookie. Oh, it's smaller than I thought because the packaging is so big. Maybe I should have bought the big chocolate chip cookie from Starbucks or convenience store. But then those are so much expensive, so it's fine. I think I can only make small ones. Oh, I should have bought the big cookies. Yes, oh my god, it looks so good. How many should we make? 3. I'm gonna take the strawberry jam. I'm just gonna put it here. And this is how I did it. I'm gonna do the same thing for all the cookies. Then I'm gonna take the marshmallow. It's my first time buying this kind of really small marshmallow. Can I eat it? So good. I forgot that marshmallows are this good. I'm gonna take out some marshmallows here. I think the teeth is too big. Don't you think so? Should I cut the teeth? I cut it into half because this is too big. I'm gonna put the teeth right over here and here. Wow! Ah! This looks like a teeth. And then maybe you just put this on top. So the almond slice is gonna be the teeth. Maybe around here. I think we don't really need the almond slice, to be honest. Guys, look at this. So cool. Okay, I'm gonna make 2 more of these, okay? Okay, so that was really quick, right? See, it looks so scary. Oh my god. I hope it tastes good. I bit on it and all the marshmallows came out. It's good. Of course it would taste good because I didn't really bake the cookies myself. Like those of you who has like oven at home, please try making cookies from scratch. But I don't have like an oven, that's why I didn't bake today. Should I do mukbang? Yeah, so yeah, that was it for my Halloween video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and maybe you can try making this at home and share it with your friends. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.